Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can edit like the board's cover on Pinterest. So go to your boards and select one. To change the cover, select the three dots here, edit board, select board cover and press the pencil button. And then here you can change the board cover by pressing one of the images. Let's use like this one and press done, and that should be the board cover. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.